Our national archives are a well of information about our shared past. Without the work they do of preserving unique and irreplaceable documents, we would have no way of researching our social history. And so archives are being celebrated across Wales as part of the Your Archives campaign.
Family history is one of the most popular occupations, pastime in the UK and certainly in Wales. It's so important that projects like this ensure that people have access to this wonderful treasure house of memories and important documents, photographs and pictures in our archives.
To promote the work of the archives, a series of films has been produced, each showcasing one of the amazing stories that has been uncovered by a visitor to an archive. These films can be seen online.
I think the first thing is not to be afraid. It's a bit daunting to start with when you know nothing about what you have to do. But as soon as you're there, if you share with them, they'll help you straight away.
The films were launched at Flintshire Record Office, which is located in a picturesque rectory in Harden, and everyone who attended was treated to tea and homemade cake, courtesy of Steph Hines, the resident archivist.
The staff are there to help them, and if you have a friendly attitude towards them, that helps them get the best out of the records that we have, and you have a satisfaction from that.
There are a wealth of stories just waiting to be discovered. So visit your archive today and start the journey to discovering your own story.
Just go and have a go. And in fact, what I like is that you start off on one thing, but in fact you branch out into others, and sometimes you're just mesmerised by all the other things that you really didn't go in for, but they were so fantastic, just interesting, the history in one way and another.